What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Tonight I am going to attempt to fix my electric windows. Since I've had this, I have not been able to roll any of the windows down other than from the master switch. So I did some research. It says it's the master lockout switch that's malfunctioned. So I found a way to bypass that, and that's what we're going to do right now. Alright, so what I've done here is I popped open this kick panel right here, and your first set of plugs right here is to your windows. So what we're going to do is we're going to splice this brown and yellow together so it is running a constant power for the windows. So I have this little splicer, and we're going to try using this. Let's see if it works. So I'm going to pop this yellow, and we're going to cut this one. I'm going to center that up, and then we're just going to take the brown push it through just like that, and then we're going to put this metal piece back in there and crush it down. Looks like it went through. So we close that up, and then we're gonna put some tape on this too. I do have a few wires hanging out. And that's it. That should be all we need to do. Plug it in, and we're gonna test the other windows out. So these are still working. That's good. Good to hear. We'll go back here. Oh, door's locked. Oh, easy as that. Let's go check the other ones. Don't have very good light in the garage. That one goes down. Well, I'm pretty damn happy right now. And we'll try this one. Nice. So there you have it, guys. If you have that same problem with your windows, it's literally a 10-minute fix. I would have been done in 5 minutes if I wasn't recording this video, and I'm happy. It's the little things in life, right? So I recently let my stepson start driving with his permit, and I have been the one in the passenger seat, not been able to roll my window down. So that motivated me a little bit to get it fixed. So thanks for watching, guys. I hope this helps you in your XJ windows, and we'll see you next time.